got another lock clamped up in the vise here. This is one of the locks that Jeff Moss sent me in a trade. It's a really neat little Russwin. It's got the newer style logo. There's the bitting on one of the keys that works in it. And as you can tell, the bitting on the other key that works on it is different. So this one definitely has some master wafers in it to deal with. Ultimately, kind of makes the lock a little bit easier to get into. But for key control purposes, a lot of places use the master wafer system. So let's go ahead and check pin 1. Pin 1's loose, pin 2's loose, pin 3's loose, pin 4's loose, pin 5 is binding, pin 6 is binding, pin 6 is really binding. Okay, got pin 6 picked. Okay, let me tighten my clamp up here. Okay. Alright, check pin 1. Pin 1 still loose. 2 still loose. 3 still loose. There we go. We got a binder right there on 4. Okay, got a light click out of 4. 2 is binding now. Got a click out of 2. And 1, there we go. Okay, so let's zoom out. And let me adjust my light. I need to get a proper overhead light. Screwdriver. There it is. Okay, I've got a key for this. Let's go ahead and lock it up. And I love these Russwins. They make fantastic challenge locks because the tolerance in them are generally fairly decent. Okay, so let's go with this key. And I'll need my biggest plug follower. Which is around here somewhere. It's actually in use right now. So I'll use the next size down. Just make sure I get this turned at an angle to where that tailpiece doesn't act up on me. Okay, I already see a couple of the wafers there. So pin 1's pretty much at the shear line with one of those master wafers. Alright, so I got a really long pin in 1 with a master wafer. I've got a wafer in 2 and a standard. A wafer in 3 and a standard. 4 is just a standard. 5 is a standard. And 6 is a standard. So all 6 pins working. Just a stock plug. Alright, if I chose the right key, which I did, there shouldn't be any wafers up top here. Okay, pin 1's a standard. 2 is a standard. 3 is a standard, and I imagine the rest of these are standard too. 4 and, if I can get a hold of it, 5 and 6, all standard. The springs are all stock springs, it appears. Yep. Alright guys, that's a standard Russwin. I'll probably wind up turning this one into a challenge lock. I believe it'll make some good fun. And with these master wafers down here, that'll leave me a little bit of room to make some pin and pin key pins, which are always real fun to make. and the pick. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And please like and subscribe.